Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ahgoziem here again. If you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing and don't forget to give me a thumbs up because I know you will like this video at the end of the day. If you clicked on this content, just stay tuned because I know you like it. So in today's video, I'm going to be prepping and also I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with my DIY aloe vera hair spritz. So before I get on to the tutorial, I'd like to first share the benefits of aloe vera. Let's get to know what aloe vera can do for us, okay? Shall we? Number one benefit of aloe vera is that it prevents itchy scalp, it conditions the hair, it resolves scalp inflammation and dandruff, it deep cleanses the hair follicle. Number 5 benefit of aloe vera is that aloe vera contains proteolytic enzyme which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. So aloe vera is amazing. The final benefit of aloe vera that I'll be sharing is that aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, E, vitamin B12, which strengthens and repairs hair strands. There are a few things you should know before ditching aloe vera because some people will be like they are going to be ditching aloe vera, they don't want aloe vera in their hair routine and all of that. One is that if you're using it as a spritz, as I'm going to be using it in this video, make sure you store it in the fridge. And make sure you don't store it for a very long time, okay? Because it doesn't have any preservative. Bacterial growth can occur in it and it's going to compromise the pH of your scalp, making your scalp to encourage the growth of dandruff, which you don't even want. If you're going to be using it as a spritz, the way I'll be using it now in the tutorial I'm going to be doing now, make sure you strain the juice after blending. If not, the gel residue is going to stick to your hair and your scalp, making your scalp very flaky. Third thing you should know before using aloe vera is that if you're using the plant itself without blending it into a spritz, just try and ensure that the gel residue doesn't stick to your hair when you're using the plants without blending it. Just take note of these 3 things I just mentioned now so that your aloe vera journey can be a successful one, okay? With all that being said, we can now get down to prepping and moisturizing. I'm going to be taking the quantity of the aloe vera I'm using to prep this spritz from these 2 here. First of all, I'm going to be taking my knife. I'm going to be cutting off this dry part of the aloe vera. Then after that, I'm going to be taking out the spines by the sides of the aloe vera. I'm going to be going ahead to cut the aloe vera. After that, I'm going to be slicing it into 2. This is going to make it easier for me to be able to remove the gel easily. I prefer to use spoon to scrape out the gel because it's way safer than using a knife. This is the quantity of gel I got from that particular aloe vera leaf. I'm going to be going ahead to cut this one. After cutting it, I'm going to be going ahead to scrape out the gel. So this is the quantity of gel I got from it. So I'm going to go ahead and blend it. After blending, I'm going to be going ahead to filter it with this sieve over here. I prefer to do this because I wouldn't want the gel to be stuck on my hair. So I always like to do this. So this is the shaft I got after sieving it. I'm going to be going ahead to put it in my spray bottle. Then after putting it in my spray bottle, I'm going to be going ahead to add the essential oils. I love peppermint and tea tree essential oils. Essential oils stimulate scalp circulation, thereby promoting hair growth. This is what my hair looks like. I'll be hydrating my hair with this marvelous juice. I'm sure you guys saw how I made it and this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. So I'm going to be sealing my hair with my Ayurvedic hair butter. So finally, I'm going to be oiling my scalp with this amazing oil. This is AhgoziemNaturals Ayurvedic hair and scalp oil. This oil is beyond amazing. And it's made by me, it's from my brand. Guys, if you don't already know that I have my own products, yes, I do have my own products, okay? This is one of them and this oil is gold. It's packed with Ayurvedic herbs, carrier oils and essential oils. So, and it's very potent. It has some Ayurvedic herbs here, so it just keeps infusing. It's like wine, the older it gets, the better. So if you've not ordered one, just click the link in my bio and go to my business page and get yourself one bottle. First of all, I'm going to be putting my hair into different sections for easier application. The interesting thing about this hair spritz is that it can even get to the scalp without compromising the pH of the scalp. You dare not try this with your regular leave-in conditioner. This spritz is so good. Aloe vera conditions the hair and scalp. I'll be going ahead to seal the moisture with my DIY Ayurvedic hair butter. This hair butter is packed with Ayurvedic herbs, carrier oils, and essential oils. If you want a video on how to make this hair butter, do indicate in the comment section, then I'll do that. My hair feels so soft, like, oh my god. You should give this a try. Don't sleep on this, just give it a try. So I'm going to be going ahead to twist my whole hair, and I'm going to be right back. So guys, I'm already done twisting my hair. The oil in my scalp is this. So moisturized. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, which I know you did, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free of charge. It's totally free of charge. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to like do a tutorial on how I twist my hair. Just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do just that.